आगे है तेरे दम से दुनिया जागे है बेखौफ समंदर अड़िए तेरा जिगरा.
I was just discussing this the other day with somebody, and I'm not really sure because it's a very difficult, like, it's a very important decision to make. But just yesterday, she saw my first song which I ever shot in my life, and that's Radha Teri Chunri. So, abhi usko gana thoda thoda dikha rahe and all of that. She's about 2 years old. So, actually, the first song she saw was Kesariya, and then yesterday was Radha Teri Chunni, and she saw Badtameez Dil at the same time. दोनों ने साथ में हमारे गाने दिखाते. So she must be thinking, hey, whatever, this is like normal. When you're talking about protection, I think जो protection का feeling है, if you love somebody, whether you're younger than them, older than them, or as old as them, you will want to protect them. No matter who they are, whether it's your pet, whether it's your brother, whether it's your sister, whether it's your mother, father. And in my case, when I signed Jigra, it was just after I had Raha. So the protection was like bursting out of me. And I have to also give credit to the way the scenes are written, you know, beautifully by Vasan and Debashish. जो character dynamics है, जो protection भी होता है, वो ऐसे नहीं है कि character enters the room saying, मैं तुम्हें protect करने वाला हूँ, I protect you every day. It's not that. It's an underlying energy that you just know. जो आप सीन में देख रहे हो, you know कि ये बरसों से चलता आ रहा है. Character dynamic जो है, वो build किया है very consciously. तो वेदांग और मैं, हमारा first scene था, उसमें काफी वो layers थे, which we got to play with. So it's difficult sometimes for actors to get that chemistry on day one. Sometimes it takes a couple of days to get into it. But I have to give credit to the way the scene is written. Because of that scene, I think both of us flowed very naturally into this, you know, the parts of Satya and Ankur. और बाकी आप फिल्म में देखोगे. Great directors. Genuinely, I think I've been very blessed. I truly believe filmmaking is the filmmaker's medium. I respond to films like an audience when I watch them, when I read them, when I see them. तो जब मेरे पास एक स्क्रिप्ट आती है, मैं एक ऑडियंस की तरह पढ़ती हूँ, फिर अपने बारे में सोचती हूँ. And I genuinely, I think, I'm not just being modest, I've been very lucky. Luck has to do a lot with it as well. Being given the opportunity to play a part like this. And I'm somebody, when I go on set, even though I'm a co-producer on this film, I am the director's, you know, puppet. Like whatever you tell me to do, I will do.
It came across in a conversation with Karan. We were just discussing like what are the stories that we can explore, and this kind of came up, and he seemed really excited with it. So we went with the flow, and then, you know, one thing led to the other, and it happened.
What, a year now? My first film was out a year back, but I've never seen someone who's so supportive of everyone around them. I think we were having this chat yesterday, and I was just thinking about, because it's not like I've had any experience with a star as big as Alia or, you know, anything like that, but just the way she is, just whatever she's done for me even, as basically a newcomer coming into a film, just the support that she shows publicly, personally, it really means the world.
दुनिया सारी घूम के मित्रा बुल्ले शाये कहंदा जान दी फिकरां छड़ दे जेड़ा ओए ओ जिंदा